Alright, so today I'm going to be installing a 90-degree Arlen Ness Velocity air cleaner. Let's get right into it. Intake, backing plate. Chrome looks good. We have a bag with a couple different things. Must be the instructions. Some type of mounting bracket. It's the button that goes in the middle once it's installed. This is the breather screws. The 90-degree turn. So it's gonna sit on a bike like that. Get those out. I've saw other videos recommend that you take off the gas tank for this install, but you don't have to if you use the correct Allen wrench, and you can get right behind the backing plate without a problem and get it off just like this. Get a little grease. This is waterproof grease from a four-wheeler. The grease is just to make the O-rings stick into their slots. Stick that up in there. Grease just make it stick. Before you install the gasket, the 3 screws, you're gonna have to install this plate. It's gonna come with 2 little tiny Allen heads. You're gonna put Loctite on both of those, then put your 3 screws in, and then your gasket. So boom, 1, 2. Put your 3 screws in. And you're gonna put your gasket. The screws are gonna hold the gasket in. Once you got all that right, like that, you're gonna use Loctite, just a little bit on each screw. Make sure your 2 back O-rings are up there. Go straight to it. Just get them snugged down. I'm gonna take out 2 breather bolts. Put the copper washers on. Use our Loctite. Get these installed. Now we got them all kind of snug. We're gonna go ahead and tighten them all up. Okay. Got the O-ring that goes on the outside. We're gonna put some grease on that, get it installed. Get it covered in grease. Not too much grease, just enough to make it stick in the spot, like that. Once you get that put on, you're gonna want to put Loctite on all of these too. Everything in this project gets Loctite. And the last one under here, going in smoothly. So after you get this installed, you got a clamp under here, right here in the back, that has to be tightened up, and the install's done. Alright y'all, it's Larry Loaded. Thanks for watching my video. Y'all like, subscribe, comment, share. tap in, everything. Loaded means living on a dream every day. And if you doing what you love, if you following your dreams, then you loaded too. So y'all tap in. It's your boy Larry. I'm going to be dropping plenty of videos about mods you could do to your Harley-Davidson for a reasonable price, something you could do at home, and something just to customize your bike to make it just even more yours than it already is. So y'all get with me. We out. Subscribe.